Meteorologist Eric Alf has current conditions and your 7-day forecast.
That's right, and I've got to say, it's been a really comfortable stretch to start the month. We can count Sunday as day 10 of below average temperatures, high temperature of only 82 degrees. Temperatures should get a couple of degrees warmer than what it was yesterday, but also with an increase in that humidity. Right now, temperatures are around that same ballpark as what the high temperature was yesterday. It's 81 in Salisbury. We've got 70s along the coastline, 81 degrees right there in Georgetown. But those dew points have been on the rise into the mid 60s and in some cases up to 70 degrees for that dew point. So a little bit more of a sticky feel to the air, and that's going to be a story through this week, increasing humidity levels. But it's nice today, fairly comfortable for what we are expecting later on this week. Just a few puffy cumulus clouds mixed with blue sky on our Rooney Marine Sky Cam Licky Live at Daxboro. So just a few cloudy intervals, but still some sunshine mixing with these puffy cumulus clouds developing through the upper shore towards Dorchester County and even into Sussex County. Lots of sunshine along our beach towns, so some good news on that day, but just know that there is still a moderate risk for rip currents along our beach towns today. Then some more thicker clouds going to Accomack County, so sunshine with a few cloudy intervals will do it for today. We got high pressure pushing offshore, and what that's going to do is it's going to increase our southerly winds, so that's why we're going to be increasing the heat and the humidity ahead of this of a cold front. Not so much this one's going to be dissipating, but it's the cold front behind that crossing through the Pacific Northwest. That's going to be bringing a chance for showers and thunderstorms on Thursday. But even a couple days before that, there will be a chance for an isolated shower or thunderstorm both Tuesday and Wednesday. Not the case for today, though. Just sunshine mixed with clouds, temperatures rising into the mid-80s. Starting off the day tomorrow, there could be a few areas of patchy fog to start off the day, but that should be giving way to a little bit more sunshine by the afternoon, but there will be that chance for an isolated shower or thunderstorm. I think this may be a little bit overdone, but still the chance will be there, so don't be surprised if you get caught under a rogue thunderstorm out there tomorrow afternoon. And the same goes for Wednesday, I should say. The chance for a few isolated showers and maybe a thunderstorm, and also into Thursday as well once the actual cold front moves on through. And then this will push offshore on Friday and kind of dissipate to our south. So we should be giving way to a drier day on Friday, and the humidity levels might come down just a little bit on Friday into the weekend. So the highest feels like temperature should be peaking on Wednesday and Thursday. We could be feeling like the mid to potentially upper 90s for those feels like temperatures, so it's going to be a bit nasty out there. Out in the tropics, a couple of waves in the central Atlantic, but we're not worried about those. Also, we will be pushing up to the northern Atlantic. It's really this. We now have Tropical Storm Erin, and it looks like this could be a major hurricane by the time it gets north of the Lesser Antilles and towards Puerto Rico. What happens after that, we'll have to wait and see by the time we get to next week, so still lots of time to watch it. Today, 81 to 86 degrees with a mostly sunny sky with a few cloudy intervals, I should say, through the afternoon. 65 to 70 degrees for tonight, so not as cool, and it will be a little bit more humid out there. So getting increasingly humid Tuesday into Wednesday and Thursday with a chance for an isolated shower or a thunderstorm, specifically I think on Wednesday and Thursday, and then we should be drying out with a little bit more lower humidity, I should say, by the weekend, John.